Power off your laser. Open the lid. Move the laser head forward. Move the laser head to the right side. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw. Remove the cable clamp. Hold the clip and unplug the ribbon cable. Straighten the ribbon cable. Move the laser head to the left side. Hold the clip and unplug the other end of the ribbon cable. Take out the ribbon cable from the clamps. Place a new ribbon cable. Note that the green end is connected to the laser head and the black end to the circuit board. Fold the ribbon cable and straighten it. Insert the ribbon cable. Clamp the ribbon cable in place. Insert the green end of the cable into the socket on the back of the laser head. Secure the cable clamp with a screw. Insert the black end of the cable into the socket on the circuit board. Move the laser head to the right. Cover the protruding pin at the bottom with insulating tape to prevent scratching the cable. Move the laser head to see if it goes smoothly. Power on your laser and laser head will move to the home position. Close the lid.